What's going on, good people? Welcome back to Cook It Up with Chris. So today, we're making us some fajita burgers. Let's get this thing started. I'm gonna start with some turkey meat. I'm gonna use about a pound and a half of turkey meat. Wash my hands off of that. Go in with some breadcrumbs. I say maybe a half a cup of breadcrumbs for every pound of turkey that you're using. Alright, then I got me some green onions. And we're just gonna cut these babies up. These are fresh out the missus garden in the backyard. Nice and crisp. Sprinkle that over in there with the turkey meat and the breadcrumbs. I got a question. How do you run out of potatoes? I don't know, but somehow I did. Alright, let's wrap this turkey meat up and put it up. Alright, so we're gonna need one onion. What we've done with this onion, the same thing you would do with an onion for some fajitas. We're gonna cut it into some slivers. Get the end caps off. Get some of the skin off. And we're gonna cut this baby into some slices. And then from a slice, cut it down in slivers. All that takes is cutting the slice in half. And now you got these slivers. These babies over here. Alright, so now we got our pan over here heating up with some oil in it for our burgers. And so now we're gonna go ahead and form our patties. So first, we're gonna get this turkey meat, breadcrumbs, and green onions mixed through real nice. Clean up in silence. Alright. Now we got our bowl. We're gonna piece this baby out. Y'all at least be able to get 6 patties out of here. Piece it out, lay it out. Crazy if I tell y'all 6 patties and I only get 5. I believe in me. Let's do this. I guess I didn't quite get the pound and a half worth. Skane and Tamara still small to split a patty. You gonna eat your onions?
I don't want my onions.
You ain't no big boy. We're gonna hit these babies with that M9 taco fajita seasoning. Let's get this seasoned up real good on both sides.
That'll be alright.
Alright, now that our oil is heated up, we're gonna lay down our patties. I'm gonna take it 3 at a time. Alright, so now our patties are done. This is the last round of our turkey patties for our fajita burgers. Alright. And now the good stuff. Gonna go in with some tricolor bell peppers. Got some red, some yellow, some orange. We're gonna go with our onions we sliced up earlier. Get that baby moving. Break those onions up so they ain't sticking together. We're gonna work it. Now we're gonna hit our peppers and onions with some more of that taco fajita seasoning. Or that Fajita Burger. And that don't need them probably like 30 more seconds and it's ready to go. Alright. So let's go ahead and get these peppers and onions out, because they are ready for the burger. Ooh, that smells so good. So just a little sauce for a burger. I got this avocado ranch dressing. Really because I want avocados on here and I don't have a fresh avocado. So I'm going to use this as a substitute. So that, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of mayo. And we're going to hit it with some of that M9 Taco Fajita seasoning, about a tablespoon worth. And we're going to give it the juice of half a lemon. And for inquiring minds, I saw the seed. Get that out of there. And we're going to mix that baby. And boom, you got your fajita burger spread. That's a simple. Take whatever bread you're using, burger bun or whatnot. I'm using sandwich bread. Fire. Take the patty of your choice, and then on top of that, we're gonna add our peppers and onions. However much or however little you want. Put a little extra on mine. And we're gonna hit it, the top bread with our spread. Just get a bit on there. We're gonna spread that out. Make sure it covers the bun. Need that flavor throughout. And boom, you got your fajita burger ready to eat. Let's give that baby a slice. Oh, I need that. Look at that goodness. Let's get a bite. You got all that delicious fajita flavor with those fresh onions and peppers. But that avocado and that lemon really sets it off. So y'all enjoy that.